Let's just say theoretically, nandun na tayo sa paano kung mag-resign yung dalawa at mangyari nga acting president. May mga nagsasabi kasi, pwede pa din daw tumakbo si VP Sara after she resigns doon sa magiging special elections. Si PBBM, ako personally, ang opinion ko, Attorney Karen, hindi na siya makakatakbo kasi sabi ng Constitution, once you're president, you cannot run again. Pero si VP Sara, technically, nothing is prohibiting her from running in the special elections. Would that be part of yung transition na pinapanawagan ng mga tao na nananawagan ng People's Transition Council? Kasi
Hindi
anti-political
ganon.
dynasty, etc.
Kasi dapat may, yun na nga, mangyayari yung scenario na yun kung hindi ipapasa yung anti-dynasty law and other affirmative actions para siguraduhin natin na magiging patas at malinis yung halalan.
Yung special elections.
Yung
if
special
ever.
elections, yes. Kasi ayaw nating patakbuhin, dapat maitsapuera, in other words, yung mga dynasty. In fact, dapat nga, ang pinaka-ideal na sitwasyon, yung mga nasa laylayan sa lipunan, mabibigyan ng fair share at fair opportunity para sila naman yung manungkulan.